Welcome to holisticinvestment.in YouTube channel. We help individual investors like you to take a right financial and investment decision. Mutual fund and stock investments are subject to market risk. So it becomes important to know when you should book profit in your mutual fund and stock portfolio. To make the exit decision easier for you, we are going to get an opinion from the investment expert Usha Nair. Usha, could you please enlighten us on when to book profit in mutual funds and stocks?
Book timely profits, I will tell you, yes, it is important. If you have a goal, so let me give an example. Suppose I have invested for my child's education. And when I say child's education, I'm saying it's usually something we plan if the child is going to, with the hope that he or she will go abroad or may need to pay a high college fees or something like that. So if I am in 16 years, my child is, and I know that he or she is going to start looking for going abroad in another 2 years, just as an example, and the cost of that education is 1 crore plus. Or if I have a child who's going to get married and I will have marriage expenses, child is 23, 24, and maybe in 1 or 2 years, he or she may get married. From the time that 2 years I'm nearing to my goal, it makes sense to book profits. Slightly take the money out, slowly move it into a liquid fund or a bank FD, or keep it in the savings fund, or ask your advisor, what should I do? I've invested in her name since the time she was 10. She's 25 now. I don't know, like we can't predict when you may get married, but likely next 1 year, 2 year, that's a logical thinking that we have. Can I start planning? So there you are not looking at market valuation. You're not saying it is 62,000 or 75,000. All you're saying is my goal is nearing. My destination is nearing. That is when the pilot announces that we are likely to land in the next half an hour. Please fasten your seatbelts. You cannot go to the washroom anymore. Sit in your seat, close your gadget, put your tray tables up. All these announcements come. And then 5 to 7 minutes before or 10 minutes before, you will even see the air hostess or cabin crew sitting and tying their belts. This is how we see when we travel in a flight. But for that 1.5 hours that you are in the flight, he doesn't make any announcements. You're free to walk around. You can go and stand near your friend if he's there in a different seat, talk, take photographs through your mobile outside the window. All of that you can do. But that last half an hour, you can't do anything. You have to plan for your landing. And he is also fully alert. He would be communicating with the ground staff, everything. And then you land and you come out of the flight. So when you are nearer to your destination, you have to definitely ask thinking, not plan. Like for instance, I'll give you, suppose I had a child who was likely to go for education abroad in April 2020 or May 2020. And if I had not done anything by 19 or 18, and I didn't know March 2020 could have happened, but because that unfortunate event happened, maybe my 1 crore that I had saved suddenly became 80 lakhs. Had I planned, now I can't predict that. Today my child is 5 years. I'm going to need the money in 2030 or 2035. I don't know, can there be another COVID in 2035 or something similar? But from 33, irrespective of what I do, because definitely my money will grow well by 33, 100%. I can start moving out a little bit. So even if 35 or 34 something goes wrong, I am not bothered about it. That is why start early, nearer to your goal. As I am reaching the red signal traffic jam, my brake is applied. I don't reach there and sudden brake I apply. That is my answer, man. Booking of profits.
Thanks for your insightful answer. If you have any questions related to this or any other investment options or related to your financial goals, feel free to book a free appointment with our financial planner. The link to the free booking is given in the description below this video. Also, will you be interested to attend insightful investment webinars? Then feel free to register for our upcoming insightful enlightening investment webinar, and it is completely free. The registration link for the upcoming webinar is also given in the description box. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up. Also share it in your social circle. If you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel so far, please subscribe now.